Hello guys and welcome to Big Bang Crypto. In this video I want to talk about what I think will happen in the next couple of hours because I think the next big movement is coming. So let's take a look at the chart. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin chart, the 15-minute chart compared to the US dollar, and it's the Coinbase chart. And as you can see, after the last big movement from $9,800 all the way up to $11,200, Bitcoin is forming this rising channel between these two black lines, and inside of this rising channel we also have little channels, like you can see for example here between these two purple lines. And now what is important, after the last big move, Bitcoin has been fighting with this $11,200 dollar zone, and now after let's look, after nearly something like 3 days, Bitcoin is now, beginning by today, 8 o'clock in the morning, fighting with the $11,400 zone. All right, and now what is important, as you can see right here, beginning by 8 o'clock in the morning, we are seeing that Bitcoin is forming a ascending triangle. We have higher lows, and right here we have nearly the same price. And as you may know, the ascending triangle is a bullish pattern. So now what I think is that it is very likely that Bitcoin will break out of this to the upside and then moving all the way up to the $12,000 zone. And I think when I wake up tomorrow morning, I will see Bitcoin somewhere around $12,000 to $12,500. All right. This is my opinion, and I think it is very likely after seeing what Bitcoin is doing here today. And the bulls are fighting this resistance line. All right, it doesn't come all the way down like we've seen here. No, this time today we have another situation, and I wouldn't be surprised when I see $12,000 to $12,500 tomorrow morning. And what will happen after it, and why is it so likely that we will see this movement to the upside? Well, when I zoom out and go to the weekly, wait a second. So, right here you can see that this is the all-time high, somewhere around $20,000. We have the bottom somewhere around $3,000. And here I'm using the Fibonacci retracement tool, a very powerful tool, guys. Please stop using all these thousand ways of analysis because at the end you have spaghetti on your chart and in your eyes and in your ears and everywhere, and you won't see nothing. All right, and right here, when you've been watching other videos, you might be hearing quite often that the $13,500 zone is a major target, and this is because it is the 61% zone or level of the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is a very major level. And we are seeing Bitcoin over the last days and weeks moving all the way up to the 61% level. Okay, so that's why I think that we will see this breakout to the upside and moving all the way up to 13,500. But I don't think that I will see this tomorrow morning. What I expect Bitcoin to do is move up to the $12,000 zone or 12,500 zone, and then we will see again something like we are seeing right now. So I will bring it out again. So I think that we will see something like right now. So we have this big movement to the upside, coming down, correcting, and then again we will see some kind of a rising channel, and it will take some days, maybe 3 to 5 to 7 days, and then something like this could be happening again, and after the breakout we will go up to the 13,500 level. Okay, this is what I think, and I hope tomorrow I can give you a new video showing you that this analysis have been right, but I'm seeing really the signs of a breakout to the upside. And what I want to tell you at the end of this video, guys, something very important has changed. In 2017, when we had the bull market and this big FOMO, this FOMO had been created by the normal people, okay? People like you and I. This time we have another situation. We have the FOMO, and I don't think that this FOMO has really started yet. I think it's slowly coming. But what is it that is bringing this price to the upside? Why did we gain nearly 4x from the bottom? It's because of the institutional FOMO, all right? This is a new kind of FOMO because the big players, the big companies, they know that it will happen. It will happen. The day will come, and I don't think that we have to wait years. I think that at the end of this year, and when it will take very long, I think at the end of next year, we will see a Bitcoin price that normal people, they can't buy it, guys. Okay? And so this is why these companies are coming now. You've been hearing it in the news and seeing and reading that Microsoft, Amazon, Samsung, and all these guys, people, all these big players with the big pockets, they are coming because they know Bitcoin will be a very powerful asset, and well, they want to be a big part of it. They want to make the money. They want to have a big part of the control, and well, and this is something very big that we have to keep in mind. The institutional FOMO, people with hundreds of millions of dollars, guys, they are coming. I mean, you and I, we're happy when we have 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoins, but they come to buy 500 or 1,000 or 5,000 Bitcoins. There's no problem for them, no problem. And when these guys step into the ring and one of them starts to buy 500 to 1,000 Bitcoins, well, we will see a volatility move to the upside that we would never expect. We think we've seen big moves, but the big moves that are coming in the near future, guys, I think that will surprise everybody. I've been reading a lot. I've been seeing people that are 50 years in the business trading, and they all say that that Bitcoin is something that nobody would have ever thought could go up like this. Okay, and if you compare Bitcoin to gold and the Bitcoin price to the gold price, I mean, gold, since hundreds of years, people using it, and now Bitcoin, $10,000, something that gold has never achieved. So this is showing us what Bitcoin is able to do, and Bitcoin is absolutely necessary for us, because the banks and the regulators, guys, they have been doing so much shit in the last years. All right, the finance crisis and all these things, this will come again. All right, and so we need Bitcoin, we need it. And if you go a little bit inside of Bitcoin and look what it means, not only when we talk about price, but what it means for our society, then I think you will understand that there is no way, no future way without Bitcoin. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Please give me the thumbs up so that this channel can grow and we can grow as a community. It's really my target to build a big community and to so that together we can make profit and help this help our world, because it's absolutely necessary. And please write in the comments what you think I could do better, and subscribe. So that would be great, guys. Thank you very much for your attention, and we will see us tomorrow.